The South African high-end film industry is fast becoming a multi-billion-dollar force. Side by side to Hollywood and Bollywood, South Africa has one of the oldest and most advanced film industries and one of the first countries in the world to see and hear sound motion pictures in 1895. Hollywood-trained producer business partners Grace and Michael Norman believe South Africa's film landscape has potential to grow, but more effort needs to be made in order to equally compete with Hollywood productions.
You'll find that we have a certain way of producing films in South Africa, which has a lot of shortcuts and a lot of mediocrity involved. And in as much as some content that is produced is viable and is relative to our history, I find it's very mediocre and very foolish to produce it in a very cheap manner, in a very low standard quality, all because we're trying to tell a story when we have the ability to actually put it in an international quality level.
Grace and Michael have expanded to Dubai, a destination which is increasingly becoming the global hub for entertainment.
And we have different film licenses, from production to green room facilities to recording studios, locations as well, not just only in Dubai but the entire UAE. The move was, again, we now understand where the entertainment space is going to. We understand the changes within the film space and also entertainment. And we just also wanted to be part of what will be or what is the next global entertainment center. While the local economy suffered tremendously due to the lockdown, urban entertainment company Trace used the time to open new studios to boost the African film and production space.
We don't see our expansion as a risk. And the expansion, understand, it's not a physical expansion. Trace existed in multiple countries. So it was already present in many markets as a broadcaster. Now the next step was to be able to create a greater degree or a higher volume of content output, especially original African content that can travel the world, IP.
An economic impact report by the National Film and Video Foundation states that in 2019-2020, the film industry contributed 7.2 billion rand to the South African economy. This fell in 2020-2021 to 2.9 billion rand. Wandis Wandengendo, Johannesburg, South Africa, Africa News.